All hail Biafra. This is Biafra Liberation Army Network coming to you again. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment.
And people not to join this upcoming protest because, according to him, let me just take his words before going to it. Like the Southeast governors, they sit up concerning this protest. Like they come up. So from you, I go like people like say those with the chat Jagaban, what they call them, Emiloko, make only them only go for this protest. They no carry people like say no one not to concern this Emiloko to go for protest. So I go like that. According to what I'm happy you idiot Nigeria finally understand that no Biafra will join you useless protest. We will be watching how the terrorist state will be shooting you dead on the street. Now the remaining ones will go finish. So that's the same on the powers. That he will not, no Biafra should join this protest. And also the Southeast government said just a choke man for the matter. Before we go to those ones, let's play this video. We'll be like they get so many people angry because the theme of this protest is to end bad government in Nigeria, which is going to come up on the 29th of this very month. We are watching with this down. Let's sit down looking at what's in our dog. Let's play the video.
Baba, you don't go just sleep on your own one day. Wake up. See, say, the masses of this country. For the example, I dey for the area where they produce Gary. Now, if you see Gary, I buy 300. Gary, I buy 300. See Gary, see Gary. Is it like your foul egg? Just a barrel at the season, not 300 naira. 300.
I don't see anything.
Making them do so 300 naira. No, just wake up on your own. On your own, talk through. I don't know 200 naira for this forever. Yeah. How many where you be chop? I don't understand. I don't care for market. You know, go buy with how they produce about 300 about this. One talk of if you go there. I don't understand those people. I don't understand where you they stay.
Okay.
I think the Gary go pay for 300.
No, not the continue.
Yourself 300. You see how the person drop. Not because of say Gary too concerned me drop. He dey one pence of Gary now 4,000 naira. For one pence. You don't pour water full. You don't pour water full.
No, I don't know for the breaking transmission. I just bring up this man for the breaking transmission. Okay, let's go. No shot to go. Continue.
About 300. You come back to the local president. You don't try. We will be happy saying the enter, you will change things. I like one was down. When I join this bar, don't try. People, when I go enough, and I don't say I want to join this protest. We like this, we take it, especially me. Like this, I take it. No, we take our money. I did it. When I say people, I don't let finish. Like this, someone of my local job. I did it. This protest, you go run up. You don't try. This month, July 29, you go run this protest. You don't try. This country, you must do it. You must run the protest. You don't try. We go end up. This is government. We go end up. In Africa, we not go free. Go bring that back.
I don't know why you. This is where I did Nigeria.
When I use the man, there's no way when I know arrest him. There's no way now I go arrest him. 80 billion parameter. You know arrest him. When I know arrest him, nobody was feeling. He has to shower. You don't say you don't detain him. You go inside. You don't listen. They have been on the work with you. You know the one. We get power come this one. You don't get joy like this. We don't get joy. We don't get joy. You see, when I see you ever, 300. See. How many this guy have? I mean, when you have to go benefit, we don't finish it. Won't be
Come on for it. Now waiting with they do all this they shadow they shout even before the presidential election. We don't shout. No, no, say no 23 presidential election to save life. Oh, now not do this election. This election, the winner has been announced. Oh, you know that announced the winner 8 years ago. No, no, you're not supposed to speak India. Right about that, so to be the show. Please, I want to advise you. You watch this video. If you know, say you not vote Tinubu, your candidate is Peter Obi. Not come outside. If you know, say not participate for this election, not come outside. I know they dread though, because very terrible to you now, you and your family, I go bear. But they advise you. They say, now, waiting man so, now in the weird. Those who is so Tinubu, I bet me they wear. My question, I bet where is Asari to Kumbo? Because this is the time we needed him most. He said, if Tinubu fail, hold me responsible. And I want some of you guys with the protest. Even though I don't see Asari to Kumbo leading in the front line, I beg. I'm not talking, but when I go knock it up, when I go visit a house, visit her, when I go greet her, when I give her house of fellowship, when I go shake Asari to Kubo for me. I want to see things like that because it's too firmly that Tinubu will not fail. Okay, let's go to this governor, we bless his support, the call, we bless his Simon Eber. Hardship, Southeast youth will not protest against Tinubu government. But one thing, the difference between the time everybody talk about and the way of this one you talk about, this one I'm talking about is for their own selfish interest to protect the integrity of their person. But Simon Eber is another level. You get the point, so I know what you're talking about. Governor of the Imo State has assured that Southeast youth will not shun the intending national protest against President Bola Tinubu. Ozodima said those behind the planned protest are enemy of Nigeria who wants to destabilize the national government. He spoke in Abakaliki, the capital of Ebonyi State, during the grand finale of the campaign for local government election by the All Progressives Congress (APC). According to Obuzima, to the youth of South is because we are on the path of growth. Our enemies are trying to disorganize national government. This government is our government. The government of President Bola Tinubu is our government. So nobody from Southeast will protest. We are not aggrieved. We have hope. Whatever they say, this government is barely 1 year in office. Yes, we are aware of the hardship. We are aware things are hard. But I promise you that the president is working so hard to release money to the people, to deliver infrastructure to the people, and to release and increase food security to the people. Follow your leaders. Work with your leaders. So this is what he's saying. You never talk about the release of Mazin Namdekano, but you talk about the one release money. Money when they release, when somebody they loot, when they see they protest against, now the government wants to release. Not be to release money. Of the truth, even the federal government of Nigeria, they try one kind, no be lie, no doubt. The state government, the local government chairman, where they go release money to, they not let that money circulate, they go loot her. See, I have always been talking about so. They don't loot. I know, waiting they happen. So, according to the PFI, Biafra do not participate in this election.